Here we come to the shuttle low-rise elevators at Galleria Tower 2 in Houston, Texas. Oh, this thing's padded. 8, 7, 4 works. They obviously don't have a service elevator, I don't think. So they just put the wall paddings up and use this as a service elevator as they're currently renovating the building. I'll send this up, and that's I think that elevator, if I remember, is on the same controller as these ones. I want to get the one that doesn't have the paddings on it. Unfortunately, I don't hear any coming. Yeah, this is the only elevator car that works, so it doesn't look like the other ones are going to come, so that'll be it for now.